Yeah, it's beautiful.
No. Not getting right at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I called Joy and she's like, okay, just a minute.
Come on, Freddie. There we go.
There, cruise ride. Then we say out is gallop. Gallop. Bring it back together. And this is number 517, Emma Strand. So Megan is on deck, Nicolette in 1, Kayla in 2, Emily in 3, Lena in 4, Hannah in 5, Zoe in 6, Wyatt in 7. So also out there in the warm-up, guys, there's a potluck Saturday. Please sign up at the office with what you'll be bringing. Potluck on Saturday. Sign up in the office. We'll also have a lead line class on Saturday before the jumper special. And don't forget to decorate your golf cart.
Yeah, you know you're not, but you don't want to run, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so your first fence, you should just gracefully took down.
Dad, are you videotaping right now?
No, I'm just recording what Tony says so you can hear it later. Sure.